study shows our nation's healthcare workforce is slowly recovering, but the demand for workers remains high.
Yeah, Tanisha Cordell has more on this and how it's impacting enrollment for nursing at one local college. Good morning, Tanisha.
Good morning. Yeah, a ripple effect for sure. Now, that study was actually done by university researchers from University of Washington and University of Minnesota. They ended up surveying more than 100,000 healthcare workers and found that the turnover rate among that group was consistently high throughout our first year of the pandemic. While our nation's healthcare system has started to rebound since COVID first caused panic, the demand for long-time healthcare workers is still critical. We're talking about full-time health aides, assistants, historically marginalized racial and ethnic groups, and those with young children, specifically women. A study released this year compared turnover rates among this group from 2019 to 2021. Of the more than 100,000 workers surveyed, majority of them quit or were let go. And they did so at a rate higher than many other positions and demographics.
Anecdotally, I think that this is going to turn around once they gain some momentum and figure all this out.
According to Kent State University Dean Versi Johnson-Mallard, the demand for these positions continues to impact student nurses. Because of COVID mandates, many undergrad students missed essential learning and experience focusing on communication and bedside manner.
It's like you've been a news reporter and you go through all the courses, but you never had the opportunity to interview a person.
And when it comes to graduate nursing students, enrollment at Kent State has dropped about 40%.
These nurses are still working at the bedside and they're having to prioritize. They're prioritizing their family and their work life over graduate school.
Now, researchers did also note that target solutions like better pay and work-life balance are definitely going to be needed to really meet that patient and workforce demand. As for Kent State's nursing school, its partners are actually now offering residencies and internships to help boost those skills and confidence. I'm Tanisha Cordell, News 5.